The most famous university in the United States.
Colleges, universities frequently mentioned on the web include Stanford University, Harvard University, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, and others. 1,618 accredited four-year colleges and universities. Most operate privately or as part of state governments. Now we have a question of our own.
Is MIT the most famous university in the United States?
On the website topuniversities.com, they say, 1. Massachusetts Institute of Technology. The Massachusetts Institute of Technology tops the QS World University Rankings 2016-2017, placing first for the fifth year running.
How much is $1 in Chinese Yuan?
1 United States dollar is approximately 6 Chinese Yuan and 64 cents.
What is the famous equation of Albert Einstein?
On the website ScienceDaily.com, they say, this was first demonstrated by Albert Einstein's theory of special relativity and famously expressed in his iconic equation, E equals mc squared, where E stands for energy, m for mass and c for the speed of light.
Who is Anakin Skywalker?
According to Star Wars Databank, once a heroic Jedi Knight, Darth Vader was seduced by the dark side of the Force, became a Sith Lord, and led the Empire's eradication of the Jedi Order.
Do you know the space is the final frontier?
Sorry, I can't help with that yet.
Who lit in the International Space Station?
On the website nasa.gov, they say, the International Space Station is a large spacecraft in orbit around Earth. It serves as a home where crews of astronauts and cosmonauts live. The space station is also a unique science laboratory. Several nations work together to build and use the space station. According to Wikipedia, Apollo 11 was the spaceflight that landed the first two humans on the moon. Mission Commander Neil Armstrong and pilot Buzz Aldrin, both American, landed the...
How many illegal migration to United States?
According to Wikipedia, the Pew Hispanic Center estimates that 6 to 7 million immigrants came to the United States via legal entry, accounting for probably a little over half of the total population of those residing in the U.S. illegally.
What is the population of United States?
The population of United States of America was 323.1 million in 2016.
Who is Hillary Clinton?
According to Wikipedia, Hillary Diane Rodham Clinton is an American politician who was the First Lady of the United States from 1993 to 2001, U.S. Senator from New York from 2001 to 2009, 67th United States Secretary of State.
Who win the Cold War?
Ronald Reagan. On the website usnews.com, they say, Ronald Reagan never claimed to have bested the Soviet Union and won the Cold War.
Tell me about 9/11 attack.
According to Wikipedia, the September 11th attacks were a series of 4 coordinated terrorist attacks by the Islamic terrorist group Al-Qaeda on the United States on the morning of Tuesday, September 11, 2001.
How much is the price of Microsoft stock?
As of 7:47 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Thursday, Microsoft Corporation is trading at $84.06 per share after hours on NASDAQ. On the website usatoday.com, they say, that's almost twice the $114 billion held by Microsoft. It stands to reason since Apple's net income over the past 12 months of $53.7 billion dwarfs that of Microsoft at $11.4 billion. But it's also important to note Apple carries more long-term debt, $53.2 billion versus Microsoft's $40.7 billion. Steve Jobs. According to Wikipedia, Apple was founded by Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ronald Wayne in April 1976 to develop and sell Wozniak's Apple I personal computer.
Who is the CEO of Apple?
The CEO of Apple is Tim Cook.
What's the price of Apple stock?
As of 7:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Thursday, Apple is trading at $176 a share on NASDAQ after hours.
Who created Facebook?
Mark Zuckerberg. According to Wikipedia, the Facebook website was launched on February 4, 2004, by Mark Zuckerberg, along with fellow Harvard College students and roommates Eduardo Saverin, Andrew McCollum, Dustin Moskovitz, and Chris Hughes.
Tell me about Elon Musk.
According to Wikipedia, Elon Reeve Musk is a South African-born Canadian-American business magnate, investor, engineer, and inventor.
Where is the most beautiful place in China?
Here is some information from the web that might possibly help. On the website ChinaHighlights.com, they say, from the picturesque karst landscape in Guilin and Yanshuo to the precipitous pillars in Zhangjiajia, from the colorful lakes in Juzhagao to the rainbow mountains in Zangya, China's diverse natural beauty is as impressive as its splendid culture.
Book me a ticket to New York.
Non-stop flights from Beijing to New York City are about 13 hours and 30 minutes long. There are between 2 and 4 flights a day.
How to become famous?
Here is some information from the web that might possibly help. Here's a summary from the website wikihow.com. Method 2. Growing a talent. 1. Pick a talent. 2. Learn from the best. 3. Practice, practice, practice. And 4. Remind yourself a talent is really a skill. Plant, a living organism of the kind exemplified by trees, shrubs, herbs, grasses, ferns, and mosses, typically growing in a permanent site, absorbing water and inorganic substances through its roots, and synthesizing nutrients in its leaves by photosynthesis using the green pigment chlorophyll.
Is the winner of Oscar this year?
The 89th Academy Awards winners include Moonlight, Emma Stone, Casey Affleck, and others.
Who is Batman?
According to Wikipedia, Batman is a fictional superhero appearing in American comic books published by DC Comics.
Winter is coming.
But I'm a summer child. I know nothing of winter.
What does LGBT stand for?
Lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, questioning. Here's a summary from the website WashingtonPost.com. The Q can stand for questioning or queer, and sometimes you may see the acronym written as LGBTQQ, lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, questioning, queer. I don't really watch TV, even Game of Thrones, but I'm still really interested.
How many people died in the Titanic?
Here's a summary from the website Eslinger.com. 1,503 people total died. One of the first lifeboats to leave the Titanic carried only 28 people. It could have held 64 people.
What is the best program language?
Here's a summary from the website Infoworld.com. C++, Python, Java. Java is also a great choice. Lisp, Prolog, and Final Thoughts.
How can I learn artificial intelligence?
On the website blog.hackerearth.com, they say, the first thing that you need to do is learn a programming language. Though there are a lot of languages that you can start with, Python is what many prefer to start with because its libraries are better suited to machine learning. A bot is the most basic example of a weak AI that can do automated tasks on your behalf.
What is artificial intelligence?
Artificial intelligence, the theory and development of computer systems able to perform tasks normally requiring human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and translation between languages.
How do I learn machine learning?
Here's a summary from the website machinelearningmastery.com. 1. Step 1. Adjust mindset. 2. Step 2. Pick a process. 3. Step 3. Pick a tool. 4. Step 4. Practice on datasets. And 5. Step 5. Build a portfolio.
What is machine learning?
According to Wikipedia, machine learning is a field of computer science that gives computers the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed.
Tell me about Raspberry Pi.
According to Wikipedia, the Raspberry Pi is a series of small single-board computers developed in the United Kingdom by the Raspberry Pi Foundation to promote the teaching of basic computer science in schools and in developing countries.
Is your birthday?
Well, birthdays mark the beginning of something. So, maybe my birthday is the day we met. That's something I'd celebrate.
Sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I can sing a song. I'll keep it simple, it won't last very long.